watching NDTV Hindu.
Hello and welcome to Suryadev QSC Viva's Property Matters. It's time for our weekly roundup of the city for all things realty. Today we begin at Kalavakkam, where we check out Mark Properties Pushpadruma. 25 kilometers from Tidal Park, about 2.5 kilometers from Keelambakam, very close to the SSN Engineering College, is Pushpadruma by Mark Properties. This property is spread over 10 acres of land and was launched in January 2009. When completed, it will have about 466 apartments spread out over different blocks, each having 14 floors. These complexes will house apartments with 2 bedrooms and a study, and 3 bedrooms. Apartments vary in size, beginning from 848 square feet going up to 1,248 square feet. We took a look at a 2-bedroom model apartment. This opened up into a living and dining area, well ventilated with an attached balcony. The compact kitchen also has a utility space attached. Of the 2 bedrooms, the master bedroom has an attached bathroom and balcony, other than which there also is a common bathroom. The property will also have car parking for each apartment, 40% closed and 50% open parking. Other than this, there will also be other facilities and amenities for the residents.
Pushpadruma offers children's play area, senior citizens park, a good clubhouse with swimming pool. We have a shuttle court. We have all other amenities which a smart young couple of belonging to a IT industry would prefer, or a middle-aged couple would prefer.
When completed, the property will have about 70% of open space that the builders plan on landscaping.
It's definitely a contemporary style. If you look at the elevation itself, it's a high-rise building and it's very simple. It is not very complex from the outside, so that the cost also can be optimized. If you have very complex architecture, you cannot give it at the right value. Today, what is really worked well for Pushpadruma is the right price at the right time we launched it. That is what has given us, and with the right values.
The builders also have some special offers and schemes.
And one unique thing what we have done in our project is we have done everything automated. The entire booking was online from day one. So customers could see that our booking, the availability of apartments, and everything was transparently shown to the customers. So that helped us really in picking up the sales in a challenging period of last 1 year. Secondly, what we have done is we have understood the customer's pain. So most of the young employees working in this IT corridor, they wanted to buy a home. At the same time, they don't want to pay the pre-EMI also, because they are already paying rent to their houses. So we talked to our bankers and found out some very unique pre-EMI offer, which is very exclusive, which is given on the strength of the mark that they have given to us, which we could offer to the customers. That has helped us really in increasing the sales very fast.
Apartment prices begin at 2,199 rupees per square feet. There are still around 50 apartments available for sale. For further details, log on to www.markgroup.com. Up next, we celebrate Christmas with a newlywed couple at their brand new beautiful home.